If you want to install WordPress with Hostinger, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll have WordPress installed and ready to customize on your new website. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where all of your site management tools are located, and it's also where you'll start the process of creating a new website. From there, click Add Website to begin. On the next screen, Hostinger will ask you what kind of website you want to create. Since we're installing WordPress, select WordPress. This tells Hostinger that you want to set up a WordPress-powered site instead of a different website builder or custom setup. After that, you'll need to enter your website details. This usually includes your site name, an email address, and a password. Make sure you use an email you can access easily because it may be used for login details, notifications, and WordPress admin access. For the password, choose something strong and secure so your site stays protected. Next, Hostinger will ask you to choose a domain. If you already own a domain, you can connect it here. If you don't have one yet, you may be able to use a temporary domain for now so you can continue the setup and build your website first. This is helpful if you want to get WordPress installed immediately without waiting to purchase or point a domain. Then, you'll be asked to choose where your website audience will be located. This matters because selecting a server location close to your visitors can improve loading speed and performance. For example, if most of your visitors are in Europe, pick a nearby location. If your audience is in the United States, select a region that gives them the best experience. Once all of your details are filled in, click Next. At this point, Hostinger will begin installing WordPress automatically. You don't need to manually download files, upload anything, or deal with complicated setup steps. Hostinger handles the installation for you, which makes this one of the easiest ways to launch a WordPress website. While the installation runs, it may take a little time to finish, so just wait for the process to complete. After that, you'll be able to access your WordPress dashboard and start customizing your site, choosing themes, adding pages, and installing plugins. And that's it. WordPress is now being installed on Hostinger. In just a few steps, you've created the foundation for your new website. From here, you can start building your homepage, writing content, and setting up everything your site needs. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.